You are welcome once again. Today we'll be discussing on how to make your website responsive. The easiest way to design a responsive website on WordPress using Elementor. That is what we are going to learn today. We are going to follow it step by step because designing of a website is not just all about designing a website, going to your WordPress and just design your website. While designing it, you need to make it responsive. All right. So what do I mean by responsive? If you check on this website, have you seen how this website appear on desktop? You are going to make sure that your website looks so nice and beautiful while users are operating it on any of their devices. Okay, this is desktop, for example. It looks so nice. So if you check it on mobile, will it appear nice the same way you are seeing it here? That is what you are going to do. That is what you must put in place so that while it looks so beautiful on desktop, it will also look beautiful on mobile. Now let's check it on mobile. If it looks so beautiful, then we are going to open the app here. So now if you open the app, this is on mobile. Have you seen it? So it also looks beautiful on mobile because we make it to be responsive. All right. Now if you check this heading here, this is heading. Have you seen it? And this is image, and this is call to action. This is another text. If you check on the desktop, this is where the headings appear, and this is where the text appear, and this is where call to action appear, and the image appear by the side of this whole thing. All right. But on mobile here, this mobile view here, the heading appear first, and the image appear in the middle, and the call to action appear below the image. All right. So if you check here also, this is where this logo appear by the side. But on mobile, it appears in this place. See where the logo appeared and the text under it. So this is what is called responsive. To make it look okay like this is called responsive. Now I'm going to show you another example. If you check on this website that we are using for our practical, this particular website now, have you seen how it appears on desktop? It looks so nice, right? It looks so nice on desktop because we are designing it using desktop. Now, if you check this same website, if you check it on mobile, have you seen how it looks? Have you seen how tattered the website looks? It's not well organized, not well arranged, and it does not look beautiful. It's not looking nice. Have you seen it? It's not responsive. We did not make it to be responsive on mobile. Now, if you open it on desktop, on tablet, it's not going to be responsive. It's not going to look nice. Okay, it will only look nice on desktop because that is where you are designing it. But now on mobile, this is how it looks. So to make it look more attractive and more beautiful, the way you are seeing it on desktop, called responsive. For example, this is app. If you are making it to be responsive like this, okay, if you just remove it, then open it again. Now, to make it look nice like this is called responsive. Now this one is not responsive. This one is not responsive, but this one is responsive. Have you seen it? So this is exactly what we are going to do now to make this website look so responsive. Responsive, you need to log into your website, then you open the particular page that you want to work on. Now we want to work on the home page. Okay, so if you check, you will see desktop. This is the laptop screen. Then if you check the second device here, is tablet and is portrait. Okay, have you seen it? This is tablet. Then if you check here, you will see mobile portrait. This particular one is mobile. So it has given you the device screen, so that's why designing it, you will be knowing that this is how it looks like. It will look on mobile, and this is how it will look on desktop, and this is how it will look on tablet, and this is how it will look on desktop. So we focused on desktop. That is why you are seeing it looking so beautiful like this. Now let's focus on tablet and mobile. Okay, so if you check on our tablet, this is how it looks. This is how it appears. And if you check it very well, it's not looking nice. So to make it look okay, we just need to click on this place. Then we'll go to advanced. Okay, we'll unlink it and it's okay like this. Okay, then we'll come to this place. Remember, our topic here is the easiest way to design a responsive website on WordPress using Elementor. So we are making it so easy and simple. All right. So anything that I'm doing here is the easiest way to achieve what you want to achieve. All right. So you click here, okay, to unlink it. Okay. click on link like this. All right, then the next thing you are going to do, you click on this pencil icon, click on style, then click on typography, give it a size of 50. All right, then go back to advanced, give it a margin left of 15 and margin right of 15. You can still come back down under padding, give it a padding of 15 right and padding of 15 right left. All right, so it looks nice. So it looks nice like this. Then you can click publish. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, we come back to this second one, click on it, go to advanced and unlink it. All right, then we can give it a padding of 18. All right, padding of 18 left and right, then also margin of 18 left and right. All right, so you can publish. So you can come back to this place. If it's not okay like this, you can work on this area, but if it's okay like this, you can leave it. As you can see, this one looks somehow nice, so we are going to skip this particular one. Then if you check on this background, this box here, so we need to reduce the height of this box. All right, so we want to put it at least to this end here. So you have to check on layout, maximum height, you drag it, okay, you reduce it. All right, so it's somehow okay. As you can see, somehow okay, you click publish. Now we have finished the responsiveness of the desktop aspect of it. So let's go to mobile and finish this particular area on mobile. So if you go to mobile, have you seen how it looks on mobile? So you click here, okay, so you unlink it as normal, okay, then you click on this place. So you unlink here, all right, give it a right padding of 20, for example, a padding of 18, let's say a padding of 18, right and left, okay, then margin of 18, right and left, okay, then you go back to style and click on typography, then we can give it 30. All right, so have you seen it? This is 30. Then we can go back to advanced again, give it margin, let's give it padding, padding top, okay, padding top and bottom, okay. So we can still make it more better here. So let's give the margin 15 instead of 18, or we can give 10. Let's give it 10 margin, okay, or let's increase it a little. While increasing it, we'll be monitoring it, okay. This is 14 and this is 12, this is 11, this is 18, okay, let's give 16, 15, 14, all right, so this is how it appears. We can still reduce the size a little. We can give it 29. All right, so it looks okay now. Then we still need to give it more top padding to bring it down a little. So to achieve that, we have to come back to this place. Okay, we have to come back to this place and give it at least a top padding. Let's give it a top padding. Okay, a top padding. You'll be adding it. While adding it, you'll be monitoring what you are working on. So on the second one, we unlink it, follow the same step. We'll give it 15, 15 right and left. We'll also give 15 here. margin 15 right and left, or let's add it 16. Okay, so you can give it 16 or 18, 19, depending on how you want it. So we can also, you can leave it like this, or you make it, or you give it another shape. Like for example, this is 19 and this is 19. All right, so you can give it a shape like this by bringing this one down. All right, so if you refresh on your mobile, so to achieve to work on the button, you click on the button, okay? You click on advanced, you unlink it, then click on this one also, unlink it as well. All right, so it have aligned itself, okay? It have aligned itself. Then the next thing you are going to do, you can reduce the size here, okay, by going to style. If you click on style, then this is 22, you can give it 18. All right, so this one as well, you repeat the same step on this second one, then go to typography size 18, can give it 18. All right, you click publish. Then if you check here, we need to give it a top padding. We need to give it a top padding here, this background. Okay, so we need to give it a top padding. Why giving it a top padding? To have gap from this button here. So you can give it a top padding of 30. Okay, margin of 30. So we can give it a padding button of 30. Okay, so now we have given it a 30 a button padding of 30. As you can see, it looks nice now. You click publish, so we can still give it more button padding. Let's say button padding of 35. All right, or button padding of 40. That will be okay. You click on desktop, we'll unlink it. Okay, so this is desktop. This is iPad. Now let's do this one as well. You follow the same process, the same procedure. Okay, then you click here. You click here, you go to advanced, you make sure you unlink it like this. You also go here, make sure you unlink it. All right, so you come back to this place, advanced, unlink, then give it padding of 20, or let's give it a padding of 18, a padding of 15 right, left, and padding of 15 right. We can also give margin of 15, or we can leave it. All right, then you go to this one also. You click on link, then we can give padding 15, the same padding left 15. You click publish, then you come back to this button, you repeat the same thing, unlink. All right, so this one have aligned itself. You click publish, you choose the device, which is mobile, then you repeat the same thing that you did before by clicking here. Make sure you unlink it, okay, then you click here. This is the easiest way to make your website responsive. Okay, you can as well go ahead to reduce this image. Okay, so you come back to this place and you click on link, then come back to this one, unlink it, then give it 15 right, 15 left, and 15 right. Then you can as well give it margin of 15 or margin of 20, okay. Then you can go to the style, give it size of 20, all right, or 25, let's say 22. Have you seen it? So you can make it align. You can align it on you can make it align center if you want, like this. Okay, you can make it align center, but let's make it but let's leave it at it is like this. Then, remaining the text, you click on the pencil icon, unlink it. All right, unlink it. Then, give it a padding of 15, padding left, and padding of 15 right. You can as well give it margin 15 left, margin 15 right. Okay, you click publish. Then the button, you can click on it, repeat the same thing, unlink. All right, style, you reduce the size, then give it a size of 20, or you give it a size of 18. All right, then this background, we need to give it more chance. We need to give it more space here. All right, so we are going to give it a button padding of, let's say maybe 30, button padding of 30. All right, so we have given it a space. Let's make it 40, a button padding of 40. You click publish. Let's check here. We can give it a button padding of, you go to advanced, a button padding of 30, let's say. Okay, maybe let's say we'll give it a padding of, okay, let's say we'll give it a margin top, of uh, 20, or let's say a margin top of 30, let's say 30. Okay, then we click publish. So we are going to take this one up, or let's click here and remove this one. All right, then we can raise this one up a little. Okay, we can raise it up a little, then publish. It looks like something that is jam-packed. So you can as well separate this text this way. You can make it, you can separate it a little. Let me just show you what I mean. If you click on this pencil icon, go to style. Then you click on typography. Then you scroll down to line height. You can increase it a little. Okay, you can increase it a little. Have you seen it? Now you click publish. So just watch how this. All right, so we'll go back to iPad. All right, remember the same step that you followed, that you applied before. That is the same step we are going to use to finish this. And I see it as the easiest way of making your website responsive. So we unlink. You click on this one, unlink it. Okay, advanced unlink, click on link. Okay, so this one also, you go to advanced, make sure you unlink it. Okay, this one, make sure you link it. This is the simplest way of making your website responsive. You click on this one, go to advanced, unlink it. All right, like this, you unlink it. Okay, so if you check this one here, we can reduce the size by clicking on style. We can give it a size of 20 or 25. Then we can make it here we go to advanced, we can give it 10 left padding. Okay, so we give it 10 left padding and 10 margin. We can also give it 10, just make it 10. Then come to these solutions, also give it 10 and give it 10. All right, so we'll come to text, we'll repeat the same thing. We can give it 10 as well, 10 and 10. Okay, so we can come back to this one. and give it, let's say give it 10, and give it 10, give it 10, also give it 10. All right. So what we are going to do next, we'll click on this button, go to advanced, unlink it, okay? Then click on this one, advanced, unlink, all right? So that is what we are going to do, and that is what we have done here, all right? Now, if you check this particular one, this one is not, this one's supposed to align at the center here. So you can click on this place, then click on center, okay? So if you check here, it have aligned at the center, all right? Then you click publish. Now let's check, okay, so this is how it looks on desktop, on iPad. So let's go to mobile, okay? So we are going to do something like this, repeat the same process. We are going to repeat the same process on mobile here. You do the same thing, okay? Unlink here, then you click here, repeat the same thing, unlink here, unlink, then you can repeat the same thing, okay? So we have unlink all. So the next thing we are going to do, we can come here, then give it 10, give it, let's say 8, we can give it 8, let's say 7. Remember, we give 8 on on tablet, so we can give 7. We give 10 on tablet, so we are giving 7. We also repeat the same thing here, 7, value 7, and 7. Okay, so we come back here, we can also give the same 7, 7, right? Okay, so you can reduce the size here by going to style, typography, size is 22, we can give it 18, or we can give it 15. All right, then repeat the same thing here, we can give it 15. All right, so let's give this one, so let's give this one 18. All right, then you click publish. Remaining this area, we can click here, repeat the same process, unlink it, then we don't want it to full this area, so we are going to give it 10, okay, 10, and 10 here, 10 here. All right, we'll remove this one, okay? Now it's looking nice. So the next thing we are going to do, we need to give it a button padding, a margin top of 30, all right, or a margin top of 40. So we have given it a margin top of 40, click publish. Now let's refresh the website on mobile. Have you seen how it looks before? Now if you refresh it, if you refresh the website on mobile, you will see how responsive it will be. Have you seen it? Now it's responsive. Okay, so remember, you can take these action buttons, these buttons, you can keep it the same alignment with this one, okay, with this solution and this text, but it looks okay like this. So the remaining one is this ones you are seeing here, okay? So we can as well repeat the same thing. If it's not okay like this, you can repeat the same thing by clicking here. You can click here then and click on this one, advanced, unlink, then go to style. Okay, if you go to style, you will see number, you click on it, then you see typography, you can give it 20. or you can give it 50. All right, you can reduce it to 40. All right, then title, you can also give it 40. You can give it 40. Okay, you can give it 20 or 18. All right, so this is what we gave it here. We gave it 14. We gave the number 40, and the title we gave it 18. All right, you click publish. I've repeated the steps. Okay, so we can reduce the iPad. Okay, we can reduce the number on iPad. Can give it 20, or let's give it 25. Okay, then the title, we can also give it, we can give it 19. Now let's reduce it to 15. Okay, now let's do something like this. Unlink it, unlink it. Then let's do something like this. Unlink, unlink. Okay, then we can repeat the process. Okay, advance, can make it align center. Okay, then we'll repeat the same process. Okay, so you click publish. Now the next thing we are going to do is to work on this area, which is almost the final one. Okay, unlink, unlink. Remember the same process we are following, and this is the easiest process that you can understand quick and put in practice quick. Okay, you unlink it, very easy. Unlink, then you can give 20, pardon. Okay, 20 margin. All right, then apply the same thing here. Unlink, unlink it, then click on this one, advance, unlink, unlink, then text, unlink it, unlink. All right, then you can reduce the size by going to style, content. Okay, under content or title, you can reduce this title. Let's give it 18. Then the description, let's check on the description. Content, this is description, you can give it 15. All right, so the box can make it center. Okay, it's okay like this. Then here you go to advanced, you can give it 10, give it 10, give it 10, and give it 10. All right, so we can apply the same method in all these remaining ones. So we have applied it. Now let's check on this one. Remember the same step, which is the easiest pattern. Okay, you unlink it, unlink it. Also click this one, unlink. Then the size, style, you reduce the size, give it 18. Then give it a padding, a margin top of 30. Okay, publish. Then this one, a button or a margin top 30. All right, then let's say margin padding top 30. Okay, hope you are following up. Then this one also, we can give this one margin top 30. Okay, publish. Then on this one, you repeat the same process. All right, unlink it, unlink this one also. Okay, then this one, okay, we'll unlink this background. All right, click here, unlink. All right, so we can reduce the size, the text size. We'll give it 15. Let's give it 18. Okay, we'll go to advanced. We can give it 10, 10, and 10, then 10. All right, so we can also click here and give it 10, 10, 10, and 10. Okay, so we can give this one 15 or 12, 13. All right, now we have set this area, so you can then add the same step on this remaining one. So we have achieved it, then publish. The remaining this last one here, you follow the same step, unlink it, then come back here, advance, unlink. All right, then margin top 20 or margin top 30, then click on this one, advance, unlink it, then you can come back here, layout, reduce it. Okay, you can reduce it. Then the text, advance, you can give it 18, or let's give it 20. All right, then this one, you click advance, you reduce it. Okay, then you can come for the background, layout, you reduce it also. All right, then you come for the button, unlink. Okay, I think the button is okay. You click publish. Now we are going to repeat the same thing on mobile. You check here, you select mobile device. All right, so you are going to apply the same process here. So we have done this one already. Then this particular area, unlink. You unlink. If you check here, this is how it appears on mobile. So we are going to make it, we are going to work it out. Then this one, unlink, style, size, you reduce it. All right, then text, unlink, you give it 10, 10, I give it 10, you give it 10. You can increase a little, 15, you can give it 15, 15. Okay, this is 16. You can also give 16. So 16 is okay, publish. Then this area, you unlink this one, unlink, the test, you unlink. Okay, so you can give it a padding of 10. Okay, all right, you can also give margin of 10. All right, so you can click on this place, give it 10. Okay, give it 10. 10. I think this one is okay. I think it's okay like this. You click publish. All right. So remaining this one, we can unlink. All right. Click this one also. Unlink. Then we can reduce the size of this one. Let's reduce the size. Go to advanced. Go to style, typography. Instead of 18, give it 15. Then advanced. We need to bring it down a little. We give it button. Okay. Can give it 20 or 15. 15 is okay. All right. So we can also do the same thing here. Can give 10 or 15. All right. Then we'll come back to this place. We'll repeat the same process. We can reduce the size, the text size. We can reduce it if possible. We can put it 15. We can put it 18. Then this one, we can unlink. Then we can make it 10, 10, and 10, then 10. All right. Then give it button padding of 20. All right, or 30. Then come back here, unlink. Then click here, unlink it. Then give it 20, 20, and 20, then 20. All right. Then button 20. Let's say padding 20. Okay. Margin top. All right, 20. All right. Then we'll repeat the same process here, but before then, we need to publish. Then we have achieved this one. Have you seen it? Then remaining this particular one, you click here, unlink it already unlink. Can give it 20. Okay. Okay. Can give it 25. Okay. Then the text, will reduce it. Typography, we'll put it 17. Or we can put it 15. All right. Then this one, advanced, unlink. Then layout, we'll reduce it. Okay. Unlink. Then this particular area, layout, we'll reduce it. Okay. Then we can give it. Okay. We can increase. We can reduce it like this. Give it 10. Okay. Give it 10. All right. Then top 10. All right. Then click publish. Layout. Increase it. Okay. We're going to increase it. Then click publish. Let's view this website on our mobile. Have you seen, this is how it looks already. Now let's refresh it. So if we refresh it on mobile, you will see the results. Have you seen it? So have you seen how it looks now? So it's now okay. So have you seen what we have done? So this is how you can make your website responsive both on desktop, iPad, and mobile. Have you seen it? So this is how to make your website responsive. Okay, the easiest way to make your website responsive without wasting too much of time. So if you find this video helpful, do it to subscribe to this channel, follow on Facebook. Then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up to this website, because if you sign up to this website, anytime we publish content. Anytime we publish post, you will be the first person to receive the notification before it will start circulating. Okay, and if you are not good in watching this video, if watching the video is taking too much of your time, you can read everything here. You can read everything here. Okay, you can go ahead and read it here. The same process, the same procedure. You can read everything here. All right, and on this website we always publish uh, free courses from Udemy. Like if you check here, you can come to this place. If you go to search bar, if you go to search bar here, if you go to search bar, for example, then you search for Udemy or you search for free course. If you go to search bar here, you search for free course, or you can search for Udemy. Okay, you will see free courses here from Udemy. Have you seen it? Free courses from Udemy. Okay, have you seen it? If you also search for, let's say, you search for development, web development. If you want to learn web development from Udemy for free, you just search for web development. Have you seen? You can see this one here now. So you can read everything here and you can enroll for Udemy free courses. You can enroll for Udemy courses for free. Have you seen it? So for example, let's view one course like this one now. This one is Mastering of HTML 5 and CSS3 Part 2, intermediate level. Now, if you want to enroll on this one, or this one also, complete generative AI. Now, if you want to enroll for this one, for example, you click on enroll now. Then it will lead you to Udemy. Have you seen it? So this is the course. Now, you are going to enroll this course for free. Okay, just watch and see the magic. Have you seen? You are not paying to enroll for this course. All right, this is free. Then go ahead and click enroll. Okay, it is 100% free. You just enter your email address. Okay, you enter your email address, they will send you a code and you enroll. If you check here, this is free course. All right, so you can benefit from this course, and instead of paying, you cannot pay again. You will learn it for free. So if you find this video helpful, do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.